Write it down. Write it down. 1/2 plus 3/4. Can we add them the way that they are? No. What's the fastest, easiest way to get a common denominator like units? Kendia, go. So she just said multiply your denominators. So 2, down here, sweetie. 2 times 4 is, hello, 2 times 4? 8. Good job. All right, so that's our new denominator. So now we have to get the rest of our fraction. So 2 times what gives me 8? 4. So whatever I do on the bottom, I do on the top. So 1 times 4 is 4. Now we have 3/4. So 4 times what gives me 8? 2. Whatever I do on the bottom, I do on the top. So 3 times 2 is 6. Now can I add those two fractions? Why can I add them now?
Because I have the same amount.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
What you call it? Denominator?
Denominator. I know, it's a tricky word. So 4/8. Watch, make sure you get what I do. 4/8 plus 6/8 equals 10/8. So here's today. This is the added on step. This is what we call improper fraction. Can you label that? Improper fraction. If they ask you to write in simplest form, you have to change that improper fraction to a mixed number. A mixed number would be a whole number and a fraction. So who remembers, I think we did even a little of this last week. How do I fix this improper fraction and make it an answer between 1 and 2? What will I do? Jeremiah? Okay, so he says I have to pull out one whole. So I can do 10/8 minus, what's one whole as a fraction with 8s? 8/8, yep. So minus 8/8, that's your one whole that you're pulling out. So my denominator stays the same. 10 minus 8 is 2. So Andy, now I have 1 and 2/8 as my answer. And this is what we call a mixed, that's what we call a mixed number. That's because it's a mixture between a whole number and a fraction. Okay? So you got to pull out that one whole, and then you figure out what you have left over. How many 8s do I have left? Oh, 2 8s left over. So it's 1 and 2/8. Okay, you can stop.